Hi, welcome back to Unit 1, Video 3. In this video, we're going to be looking at specialized functions. In Excel, there are many different functions that we can use. In fact, there are probably hundreds. Now, how do we know which function to use and when to use them? Well, let's have a look. By going to the Formula tab at the top here and clicking on it, opens up our Formula ribbon. And you'll notice under the Functions library, there are many here that you can use. First of all, we go to the auto sum, and as you can see there, the average, count, max, min. We'll go through these a bit later on. And if I click on more functions, it brings up my more functions dialog box where I can scroll through. Notice over here, it's telling me to type in the name of the function or select from a category. If I click on my drop down list over here, notice all the different categories that you've got. Right, all these categories are on the top under the function library. Right, let's have a look. Recently used. That will show me the ones that I've used to date. Financial functions. Hundreds of different financial functions that we can use. Right, let's say for instance we want to use a logical formula. We go over here to the function library, click on the drop down list for the logical formulas, and there are some of them showing. And false, if error, and at the bottom there, insert function. If I click on that, it brings up my function dialog box once again. As you can see, if I go to a formula over here and I click on it, it tells me what the formula can actually do for me. As you can see here, false returns the logical value false, and checks whether all arguments are true and returns true if the arguments are true. So as you can see there, it's also showing me how the formula is made up, and your bracket, logical formula 1, comma, logical 2, close your bracket. Notice what happens when I select one of the formulas. Let's use the lookup here, and column. Notice it brings up my function argument dialog box. This will help me in completing the formula. Right, let me cancel this. Now, as you can see, the function library has got numerous functions that we can use. So you can use this to set up your functions until you get to know all the functions or the functions that you need. I'd like you to go back now to your spreadsheet, and I'd like you to go through a couple of those functions in the function library and see what they do for you. Right, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you in the next one.